I'm back with a Tuesday tech tip. We're going to move that address bar in Safari from the bottom to the top as the thumbnail and title suggests. But we're also going to cover why I don't think you should. Hi guys, I'm Simon, this is Tech My Life video, and as I said, we're going to cover moving that address bar in Safari and also cover why I don't think you should do it. So let's jump onto the phone and open up Safari, and oh, look at that, fancy that website being there. But anyway, in the address bar, let's click on the two A's on the left hand side, and we get a little pop-up menu, and the top menu item is Show Top Address Bar. So click on that and boom, it's back at the top. Now, if you want to go top to bottom, again, click on those two A's. Now this time it's the bottom menu item and it's Show Bottom Tab Bar. Hang on, it's not address bar. Let's click on that. So it's now a tab bar. So this is the trick, and this is why you should keep it at the bottom. If you swipe from right to left on the address bar, boom, we end up getting a new window. So we can open a new website there. Let's open up my music website. When I'm not doing tech videos, that's what I'm doing, playing music. So now on that address bar to the left hand side, we can see looks like there's another little address bar there. And if you swipe back in the other direction, left to right, indeed you're swiping back and forth between effectively two tabs, a bit like you have on your computer browser. And again, if we keep swiping to the right, we get another new window and we can move between them so easily. It's a great feature and it's a great reason why you should keep it at the bottom. Now, muscle memory might take a little while to kick in, but it's well worth the wait. So that's it. That's today's tech tip. I hope it's been helpful for you, or maybe it'll be helpful also for somebody you know. So feel free to share the video around. I'd love your support by subscribing to the channel and liking the video, and of course comment down below if the video has helped you. I'm Simon, this has been Tech My Life video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.